This is a little, very little, as you can see, as compared to my hand, digital scale. And this scale can weigh everything up to about 6.6 pounds, and that is equivalent to 3 kilograms. So this is a smaller size scale, and it's meant for weighing small amounts of things. It comes with these two pieces, which you can turn over and use as receptacles for putting things into weigh. And then when you're all done with the scale, that one fits on there, and then you can just slide the scale in here, and it's kind of like a protective case, which is an ingenious idea. This scale comes with 2 AA batteries, so everything is ready to go out of the box. You just put in the batteries and you're ready to go. It has an on-off button. It has a changing your measurement scale pieces button. Oops. And then it also has a Tare button. So for the modes, there are 4 different modes that you can weigh things in. So right now, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a tiny little G, and that means grams. Then it can go to ounces, and as you see, it comes out to 3 decimal places, which is really nice. And then it's got CT, and that is carat weight, and that's used for gemstones. I don't have much experience with that other than I know what that stands for. And then you have GN, which is grain weight, and I have 0 experience with that, and as a matter of fact, I had to look that up online to see what GN stood for. So grain weight is very small, and I don't know what you would use it for. I bet most people who get this are going to be using the grams or the ounces. I know that's what I'll be using. So I wanted to go over this Tare button with you in case you're not familiar with how that works. What the Tare button does is it allows you to measure things when they're in a vessel without measuring the weight of the vessel. So I'm going to go ahead and put that on there. And this weighs 1.485 ounces. So then I'm going to hit the Tare button and it will zero out. And so now it will weigh what I'm going to put in the vessel without weighing the vessel. So my pen weighs 0.4 ounces. So then when you're all done, you take the whole thing off, and now it's registering a negative number. You just hit the Tare button again, and then you're back to 0. So operation is very simple on this. There's not a lot of ways to mess it up. And before I end my review, just so you have a true idea of how big this scale is, it is exactly 5 inches by 4 inches, and the plate itself, I believe, this is going to come out at 4 by 4 inches is the plate itself, and its profile off the table is about 3/4 of an inch.